Hey guys, you see what I've titled this? Our last video. You're so close to being done. I'm so proud of you. I've loved you. I've loved teaching you this year. And it just breaks my heart that we're ending this way. But it's all okay. The stories you will tell. Our last video, we're through lesson 39. I already gave you the trick, the easy, quick shortcut. So what else do we have to talk about? Nothing. So, if you are going on to take calculus in the future, okay, I will do one last problem for you, and I will not make you do the long, long way. Okay, so I'm just doing a problem on page 209. We did the upper and lower sums. They talk about the rectangles underneath. And they also have one that has a little bit more accurate area under the curve, and they use midpoints of each rectangle as the spot where it goes through the graph. So if I were to graph y equals cosine x, and we want it over the interval from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, so you know cosine at 0 is 1. Okay, and cosine of pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, is 0. Okay, so it goes right there. Okay, and they put these rectangles, they divide it into 4 sections. So pi over 4, then pi over 8, then pi... Oh my goodness, I can't even add pi over 4 plus pi over 8 is 3 pi over 8. Yeah, that's it. So they divide these into what they call midpoints. So here we go. We're going to draw these sections. But then they want to know, well, where's the midpoint? And we want to draw the rectangle so it goes through at that spot. So where's the midpoint? We want to draw the rectangle where it goes through at that spot. Okay, where's the midpoint? We want to draw the rectangle through at that spot. And the midpoint of the last, we want to draw the rectangle right there. So they have a little below and a little above on each one. And it gives a more accurate area under the curve. Okay, so you can do this, you can find it, they go through it in the book. It's not that difficult, but I'm going to use the quick trick. From 0 to pi over 2 cosine x dx. Okay, so we're finding the integral of cosine x. Whose derivative is cosine x? That's right, it is sine x. And we're going to go from, they draw a little line, so we're going to go from 0 to pi over 2. Which means we're going to plug in sine of pi over 2 minus sine of 0. Oh, what is sine of pi over 2? Well, I still have my graphs in the back of my room. That's what I'm looking at right now. Sine of pi over 2 is 1. And, sorry, not equal sign, minus sine of 0, which is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So actually the area under this curve is exactly 1. When they used the midpoint midpoint rectangles, they got 1.0065. It was very close. It was very accurate. We can find the exact value. Okay, that's all we're going to do today. And I'm going to upload the review for this test we're going to have on Friday. Study. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys so much. I'm very sad right now. It's okay. If you're sad, email me, text me, and we'll talk about it.